So we just got about 2 inches of rain, and I'm so happy with how the drainage system is working right now. You can hear the downspouts are going into that catch basin there. There's no sitting water in the yard at all. This is great for all the sod that we just put in. And then you can see down here, there's absolutely no water down in the window wells or even down in this extended retaining wall area, which makes me really excited. There's no sitting water in the yard either. And then you can see how it's working right here. We put the catch basin there to filter out the leaves, just like that oak leaf is on the catch basin there. And then you can see down in here, there's no water in the window wells. There's no other water in this lower retaining wall area. This system is totally test right now, and it is working awesome. So happy. And if you have any other similar problems like this, where you were getting water in the basement, we'd love to help you. Please send me a message or reach out to us at warelandscaping.com.